Ever found yourself pausing, wondering if it's has or have? You're not alone. It's one of those little things that can trip us up. But what if I told you it's actually way simpler than you think? Well, today we are going to crack the code on these two words once and for all. It's kind of funny, isn't it? Just two tiny words, but they can cause so much confusion. But here's the good news, there is one single key that unlocks the whole thing. So stick with me and you'll be a pro in no time. So, first things first, what is this two-word code even for? What do has and have actually do? At its heart, it's super simple. They're all about possession. They just tell us what someone or something owns or holds. Okay, get ready for the big aha moment. Seriously, you can forget all the complicated rules you might have heard before. There is just one core idea you need to get, and it's the key to this entire puzzle. Here it is. This is the whole secret right here. Just think of it like two teams. On team has, we've got he, she, it, and any single person or thing, like Rhea or the dog. And on team have, we've got I, you, we, they, and any group of people or things. That's it. That's the entire rule. So let's really lock in that first part. Let's get a rhythm going in your head. Say it with me. He, she, it, uses, has. One more time. He, she, it, uses, has. Now let's see it in action.
Okay, first example, he is just one guy, right? So he's on team has. The result? He has a car. Simple.
And it's the exact same logic here. She is on team Haze, so of course, she has a book. Easy peasy.
And to finish off the trio, we have it. Maybe we're talking about a chair or a cat. Doesn't matter. It has 4 legs. Are you seeing the pattern? It really is this straightforward.
All right, let's lock in the other side of the code. Let's do that rhythm again. I, you, we, they, use, have. Let's do it one more time just to make it stick. I, you, we, they, use, have. Okay, let's put it to the test. Let's start with I. I am definitely on team have, so the sentence is, I have a bike. Makes perfect sense.
It's the same thing for we. We means a group, so it gets have. We have a big house.
And finally, they. They have many friends. And just like that, you've totally mastered the basic code. See? The only thing you need to ask yourself is, which team is my subject on?
Okay, so you've got the positive sentences down. But what happens when we want to say someone doesn't have something? Well, it's kind of like flipping a switch. The rule changes just a little bit, but it's completely predictable.
Check out this simple formula. Step 1, you pick your subject. Let's say he. Step 2, you add the negative switch word, doesn't. Now, here's the magic trick. In step 3, and this is super important, you always go back to the base word, have. Always. So it becomes, he doesn't have a bike, not he doesn't has. Once you get this, everything just clicks into place. Let's see how this plays out in a real, everyday conversation. So imagine someone comes up and asks you a simple question. And this answer shows the rule perfectly. No, I don't have one. The subject is I, so we use don't, and the verb just stays as the base word have. It just sounds natural once you see that pattern, right? So we can make statements and we can make them negative. Now let's use the code to ask for information. And you're going to see the exact same logic we've been using all along. And yup, there's a formula for this too. Start with a question word, like do or does. Then add your subject, maybe you or she. And what's step 3? You already know this. Always use the base word have. Then just finish your question. It's a system. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Okay, let's do a quick rapid-fire round with these examples. Notice how it just works every single time. Do you have a car? Do they have a house? And for our other team, does he have a job? Does she have a dog? See how does is doing all the hard work? That lets have just stay in its simple base form. It's so efficient. And now it is your turn. But hey, this is not a test. Think of this as a victory lap.
You've learned the rules, you've seen the patterns, you've officially cracked the code. Now it's time to actually use it and make it feel like your own.
So, here is your mission if you choose to accept it, and I really think you should. Just pause for a second and try to make 6 simple sentences. 3 using has, like he has a red car, and 3 using have, like I have a new phone. This is how you really lock that knowledge in for good. And there we go. The code is cracked. It was never really that complicated, was it? It was just one simple rule about 2 different teams. So the only question left is, now that you have this key, what are you going to say with it?